We are coming back to we have almost come back to pre-22nd April situation. Okay. When we say that the presence of troops on the borders, it is almost, we are approaching that, or we must have approached that by now.
And India as well, both sides?
Yes, both sides.
Okay,
it
so
has
both
to be
sides are in the process of
yes, both sides.
now.
Both sides. Raju, this was, I would say, an escalatory war which has downgraded, or which has lowered the threshold. And when I say it has lowered the threshold, previously, we used to be confined to the disputed territory. This time it has been in the international border. And now in the future even, it will not be restricted to the disputed territory. It would come down to whole of India and whole of Pakistan. Rather, the cities were targeted first, and the international border and the line of control were targeted later. So this is a very dangerous trend. And it will affect, I would say, the investments, the trading, and even the potential of 1.5 billion people who are there. This is the first time it has been held in abeyance, and the decision to hold it in abeyance came in the first 24 hours without a shred of evidence, despite our offers of impartial and independent investigations. This is an existential threat to Pakistan, because we are an agrarian society. It is an existential threat for the 240 million people. So this also lowers the threshold between two countries who are contiguous nuclear powers nowhere else in the world.